50,000 channels, 100,000 movies, every sporting event from around the world. If you've been searching for an IPTV service, you've probably seen claims like these. Those numbers may sound impressive, but before you pay for anything, ask yourself one simple question. Do you really need 50,000 channels? Most households probably watch the same 10 or 15 channels on a regular basis. What really matters isn't the length of the channel list. It's whether the content you actually watch is available, whether the program guide is accurate, and whether the streams are reliable. In this video, I'll explain why channel count may be one of the most misleading numbers you'll see when comparing IPTV services. First, a massive channel list may include a lot of duplicates. The same channel might appear several times for different regions, video qualities, or backup streams. So, a list showing 50,000 entries doesn't necessarily contain 50,000 completely different channels. Second, seeing a channel on the list doesn't guarantee that it actually works. Some services leave outdated or inactive channel names in their lineup to make the total number look much bigger. The real test isn't scrolling through a giant list. Open the channels you regularly watch and test them during the same hours when you would normally use the service. Third, quantity doesn't equal picture quality. One provider may offer a massive number of low-quality streams. Another may offer fewer channels but provide better organization, a more accurate TV guide, and a smoother viewing experience. For the average household, the second option may be far more useful. Fourth, a huge channel count can't replace good technical support. When something goes wrong, a list of 100,000 channels won't help you troubleshoot your Firestick, Wi-Fi connection, or player. You need a reliable support option that can clearly explain device requirements, connection limits, and basic troubleshooting steps. Before subscribing, make a list of the 5 to 10 things that matter most to you. That might include local news, your favorite entertainment channels, programming from a specific region, and anything else your household watches regularly. Then evaluate each service based on those real needs. Don't ask, how many channels are included? Ask, does it include the channels I actually need? And will they work with my device and in my region? If you'd like our team to help you review the authorized IPTV options available for your specific needs, use the link in the video description or pinned comment. Tell us your device model, your location, and the main types of programming you watch. We'll explain compatibility, service availability, and the applicable viewing and connection rules. Figure out what you need before deciding what to buy. Don't choose the longest channel list just because it comes with the lowest price. If this video changed the way you compare IPTV services, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.